Hey guys, it's Jamie from Lady May-ruh-key Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a really quick tutorial on how I do my my bubbly coffee, my bubbly coffee body scrub. So to get started, we're going to grab our big bowl. I'm going to go ahead and measure out my sugars and coffee. Let's see, let me show you. My Folgers classic roast, and then for sugar I got this at my local Walmart, organic raw cane sugar. I'm going to be making I think I'm going to make 6 containers of I'm going to make 4. Make 4 containers of the coffee scrub, so that means I'm going to need 600 grams of sugar / coffee mixture. I'm going to put 200 grams of body wash. Alright, so we are done with this. We're just going to let that chill and sit and get all goopy. And we're going to start on our oils. Need 60 grams. Alright, so I'm going to go heat this up and I'll be right back. Right, so everything is nice and melted and all the wax is incorporated into the oils. So I'm going to let that sit. We'll let that sit, get a little bit more room temperature. Then I'm going to add the natural preservative. So I will be back in maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I let everything cool. I can touch it. Let me get... This is the kind of natural preservative that I used. It is, got it off of, where did I get this? I believe Amazon. So we're going to put, let's see, 4 grams. Got my sugars, my coffee grounds, and my soap, and we're just going to add all the oils. Alright, so that is my mixture. I think it's beautiful. I personally like my body scrubs a little on the thicker side versus the runny side. Just look how beautiful that looks. Let's see if I can get like how it stretches. It's so hard because you're on the top down. You can't see. Let's see if I can move you. Let's get a great big scoop and just look at that. Look how thick. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to put this in containers and I will be back. Alright, you guys, so I am all done. I was able to use everything that I mixed. This is what they look like inside of their containers. Alright, so if you like content like this, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye!